Selection of essay we talked about many a times, and if we talk once more, there is no problem. Select essay not thinking that how stylish I am going to write. Select essay by thinking that how clearly I am going to write. Vivid, clear, and correct representation is the main thing that is required in an essay. Along with following the formats, we have to look at which one is the most compatible to me. If you don't find the essays compatible, kindly don't go for those things. Now in this video, once more we will go through a passage containing few essays and we will see which one is the most effective for us to write. 2 years question paper we will look at. We will go through each and every essay or story writing and make a valid assessment whether which one is correct and which one is not correct for us. So here you go. We will avoid the picture composition part. First one provided here, this is 2014 question paper. ICSE 2001 English 1. And that is why it is of 25 marks. That time syllabus was different and it was 350 to 400 that time. Nowadays it is 300 to 400. Write an original short story that begins with the word "It's not my fault he shouted." So this is a short story and exactly have to begin with this term. Okay, next. Working women make better mothers than women stay at home. Express your view either for or against this statement. That means working ladies are better mother than those non-working ladies. Describe an early morning walk through your city or town in winter. Give details of smell, sight, sound, feelings. All the 4 types of imageries you have to describe. It is quite hard, I think. Think of a time when you found yourself in an embarrassing situation. Narrate how you got into the situation, how you dealt with it, and the lesson you learned from it. So to provide all these things here, this essay is a narrative one and according to me not that hard. So out of these 4, if you have to select one, which one would you go for? If you give preference, I think this is the easiest one, so I will give preference 1 to this one, then I will give preference 2 to this one, D, then B, then number 4 is for the C. Now out of these 4 you should have your own opinion. This is a kind of example that I have provided. Always choose the easiest one you are comfortable to write with. Now you can have your own opinion and that is justified. Now this is 2015 question paper and as well you have 25 marks and 300 to 350 to 400. Now you are 300 to 350. Write an original short story begin with the word "He was the funniest boy I have ever met." He would make everyone laugh. Okay. B. You had booked a ticket on early morning train, however you woke up late and missed it. You then decided to run to catch a bus to the next station, where you hoped to catch up with the train. Narrate the entire event, how you felt, the effort you made, and how you finally caught the train. What did you learn from this stressful experience? So this is a descriptive essay. Number C. All girls or boys school provide you better learning environment than educational school, co-educational school. Express your views either for or against the statement. This is one argumentative essay. D. Describe in detail the view of your bedroom window. Does the room overlook a park, busy street? What are the sights, sounds and smell you typically see, hear, experience at different times of the day? When you do most enjoy the view? In the morning, in the evening or late night? This is a kind of directed writing. So many directions are provided, yet the essay seems to be very hard. As per my opinion, descriptive essays are always harder and superior to other essays. If you can write it, it will be the most beautiful one. But the time limit that is provided, it is sometimes hard to write in that time period. Now next, so if we make preference out of these things, so I will obviously go for this one, this C. this argumentative essay. Then I'll go for B, then the short story, and number 4 for the descriptive essay. It is really worthy if you can write the descriptive one properly. So here is the little suggestion. Just go through this one. If you have your opinion, you can also write that one. Sure.